Hey everyone! Today I will be doing a tutorial video on how you can make your very own custom cardboard engine, and it could be any kind of engine, a Thomas character, a real-life engine, or even your own OC character. So let's get into the video. For this tutorial, you will need paint, paintbrushes, foam sheets, cardboard, a glue gun with glue sticks, a pencil, scissors, and Q-tips. Before we start making our cardboard engine, there's one thing we always need to do while we're making it, because we're going to be using a lot of tools that may be able to hurt you. And that one rule is safety. Be safe when you're using glue guns and scissors, because they can hurt you. Now that we've made all of the basic shapes of the engine, we can now paint it, and you can make it any color you want. I'm making one of my friends, Trainboy17, who's dark green with red wheels and orange pinstriping, but you could make it any color you want. Since this engine shares the same basis as Thomas, you could even make it Thomas, or if your OC shares the same basis as Thomas, you can make it into your own OC. And once you've added a number and face decal, the custom is pretty much done. And that is how to make your very own custom engine made out of cardboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial video on how to make one, and hopefully some of the tips and tricks in this video will help you in making your very own custom, whether it be a character from Thomas and Friends or your own OC. Some of the methods in this should be able to help you, especially if you want your engines to have movable wheels. Now, about the customs, I will now completely be making all of them in this method. I will no longer be making the OCs with Trackmaster engines, so I hope you guys will enjoy this new style. While yes, it may take a while, if you have a lot of patience when making these, I'm sure that yours will come out just as great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.